Everyone, I would like to show you today on my Hitachi fridge that I was facing an issue where the freezer was cooling very well, but the fridge is not cooling. It's just cooling a little bit. And I will show you what was the problem actually that I discovered that made this issue of having the fridge not cooling well, and the freezer was cooling and giving ice and everything normally. So now this is the fridge. It's Hitachi with the inverter. It's inverter. We have the power buttons here. Everything it was showing on the system that I powered and everything is fine. So I would like to show you today what was the problem. Actually, when you want to, you need to lose the two screws here, the two screws, and remove the cover of the two fans that exist here. This cover has some clips here that you need to remove it with small knife, and you remove the covers of the fan and the two screws from here, and then you remove this cover totally from here. After you remove the cover from here, I will come and I will show you closely what's actually the issue was. You can see here when we come closer to the fan, you can see that there is ice around the fan. Actually, it was more than that. I removed some. I will add it to the video so you can see it. So after you are seeing the ice, what was in my freezer, you can see down all the pipes are frozen. So what we need to do now is just to remove this ice and let it melt, and totally you can use a fan or some hot water, small vaporization just to remove it, or hair dryer, for example. You can remove all this ice totally before you on again the fridge. And after you remove the ice and you make sure everything is clean, there is no more ice, you cover it back, and you can then wait like 30 minutes before you on your fridge again. As you can see here is my freezer before the ice melt, and as you can see the second fan was blocking totally, so that's why the cooling was not going down to the fridge. And now, after removing all ice from the fans, like you can see here, there is no more ice. Both fans are clean. The pipes down where it's giving the cooling are very clean. No more ice. All ice are melted now. So after cleaning all this area and having a clean place where the water can go down in the freezer when it melts, and the fan can give the cold down to the fridge. So now after finishing all this, we can close the place where the fan is with the cover. We put the cover, the clips should enter well. After we put the cover and we make sure it's well clipped, we put the screws here, two screws, one here and one from the other side. Now after we put the screws and we fix it very well, we can close the two fans by this cover, and also we press it very well to have it clipped in the place where it should clip, like it has clips, one 2, 3, all the corners very well, and we close it very well. After we clip all this, we keep it for like 30 minutes, and then we on back the fridge, having here the temperature, make it 3 bars and 3 bars, which is the normal cooling of the freezer and the normal cooling of the fridge. Okay, thank you for watching, and please like the video and subscribe. Thanks.